Squeaky's choking Nibbles onto the rope. And now Mango's made his way back to attack Squeaky's tail. Yes, Bob, Mango's ground game is unbeatable as he continues to work Squeaky's tail into submission. Nibbles is desperately trying to escape the ropes, Ted, but Squeaky will not let up. That is why Squeaky is the most dangerous cat in the KCWF, and Nibbles finally escapes. And now Mango is finally ready to enter the ring, and Squeaky wants revenge for all the pain he inflicted on his tail. And he's dishing it out in spades as he's choking Mango under the ropes now. But here comes Nibbles to save the day. Now Nibbles is working on Squeaky's tail. Squeaky's not going to have a tail left after this match. Mango and Squeaky are biting each other ferociously. They need to call the fight before someone dies.